Hey friends, it's Doris, your favorite stretch practitioner, and I'm back with another episode of my series, Mini Moves with Doris Dee. Today's focus is a quick and effective hip flow that's perfect to kickstart your morning routine and open up your body for the day ahead. Let's jump right on in and stretch it out. Okay, friends, first and foremost, I really thought I was talking to y'all, but I did not plug in the cord to go into the mic, the receiving part, so I just decided to do a voiceover. But y'all let me know in the comments which one you like best. Do you like me talking to you directly during the session, or do you like a voiceover? Because I can give you both. It just depends on what you want. Just let me know in the comments. As you can see, I always start with a little teensy bit of hamstring help. It just helps me get into my hips, get into my glutes more. I don't know, that's just what I do. So a quick hamstring warm up, nothing crazy. We're doing hamstring scoops and Frankenstein, so rock with me. Now that I'm all warmed up, I like to drop it low to my lateral lunges. These are becoming harder and harder every single day for me. Obviously, y'all see that big old belly in the way, so I had to take it up a little bit. But I'm really just feeling that stretch in my groin and adductors because, again, yes, we want to tackle hips, but you can't tackle hips without tackling everything else around it. So that's really the key to hip mobility, just get everything around. Also, if you can guess what the hell I'm listening to and what I'm saying, please put it in the comments because I'm like, girl, what are you doing? Taking my hands all the way down, straddling my mat just a little bit. You can do this sumo or you can do this just pretty much shoulder width apart. It's up to you, but I obviously have to go a little bit wider because, again, belly's in the way, but that's okay. This is my favorite stretch. Stretching that hamstring, stretching that hip. It just is like a good 2-for-1 special for me. So 10 out of 10 recommend. Next, we are taking it down to our mat, both knees straddling wide, almost as if we're going in for like a child's pose. And I'm just going in, rocking back and forth. Really good adductor rockers. And then we'll take it up a notch by extending one of those legs out. And yeah, I don't really count. I don't really measure with time or anything like that. I just kind of feel what my body is allowing me to do. So don't overdo it. Just listen to your body. If this is becoming a little bit much, you come out of that stretch, shake it out, return whenever you're ready, or just move on to the next thing. And I wanted to tell y'all, so I went to a yoga class at the Music Yard in Charlotte, North Carolina recently, and I really liked what she said, the instructor. She was like, stretching, yoga, whatever you're doing to move your body should be suggestive. Like, listening to your body is key. I feel like a lot of the times, especially when it comes to stretching, we are trying to push the limits, and that's okay to a certain extent. Like, yes, stretching is supposed to be uncomfortable, but it should never amount to pain, and I think that's something that we need to discuss more. I honestly might make a video on that because it's super important. Like, you should just know the difference between uncomfortability and pain. Okay, moving right along into hip cars. This is essential for hip mobility. I cannot say this enough. Hip cars is some basic stuff. So you take it up for a donkey kick. That's one. Open it up as if you're a dog pissing on a fire hydrant. Sink it back once you have that foot down. But look at how my foot is positioned. It is perpendicular, I believe that's what it is. To the side. Okay, sink it back. It's beautiful on your glutes, beautiful on your hips. Rotate that thing back. Okay, one more time. Take it up, open, foot down. Do these nice and slow. Sink it back. Feel that yummy stretch in the glute, in the hip, and return. Do not just plop your foot down, guys. Please do your best to try to control what you are doing for that hip flow, hip mobility. And again, I know I mentioned before that I don't really count or really do anything, but with hip cars, I am a little bit more intentional. So I try to do them between 3 to 5 times. I never OD and try to do like 10. It won't happen. 3 to 5 times is the easiest thing, I'm telling you. Last but not least, I'm finishing up with some static stretches. So I always keep it simple, keep it light. Pigeon is one of my favorites, and butterfly at the end as well. Those are my favorite static stretches when it comes to hip opening. Just feels great, feels beautiful, feels yum in my tum-tum. So last but certainly not least, we're ending with butterfly. Some people like to put their elbows down. Some people like to put kettlebells on their knees. Hey, it's totally up to you. I just like to let gravity do what it's supposed to do. With that being said, that is all I have for you guys today. Please like, comment, subscribe, all the beautiful things. And let me know what other muscle targets y'all want to touch, because I need to know. Bye, y'all.